Hi there, this is Marissa, and I have a new process video for you today in my Traveler's Notebook. Today I will be working with the Wild Child bundle from Pixel Scrapper. This is a digital kit that I printed out at home on my printer. I just use regular copy paper, and I'm just going to begin here looking through the different paper patterns and figuring out which ones I want to use in the background. I guess I'm going to break with tradition here and pick out some alphas to use for my title. I'm not usually big into titles. They're kind of an afterthought usually, but I guess in this case I thought I would give it a try. So I'm just going through here all my letters, and I'm trying to decide if the letters I need are available in that polka dot, and I don't think they are. Okay, so I got my papers stuck down in the back for the background, and now I will go back to choosing my letters. I was trying to make this polka dot alphabet work, but I do not have the letters that I need, and I couldn't figure out any way to fake it, so I am looking for a new color. We'll skip ahead here, so I have my alpha already laid down so you don't have to watch me fiddle with all those letters. I didn't actually have an E to finish off cute there, but I used an F and then trimmed off a little piece. I don't think you can hardly even tell in this video that there's a little slice there in the bottom. So trying to use up my alphas as best I can here. So now that I've got my title put down, I will add in that little sticker, which is from the Wild Child bundle. And now I will work on the layers behind my photo here. And I found these pack of vellum that I had bought from Felicity Jane, and there's an orange stripe that was included, and I thought maybe I should use it because I don't use orange very often, but it is a part of this bundle, so I thought it might be a good chance to use that, although I don't know if I actually use it. I think I might use that skinny black stripe that's there. Just trimming off a bit of the packaging. Has a nice little scallop on it. It looks like I do use that orange stripe paper, kind of crinkling the edges. I have seen how some people will kind of rough up the edges of their papers using their scissors, and I just can't handle the noise of the paper being scratched with the scissors. So that's a problem for me. I would kind of like to, rough up the edges a bit, but I cannot do it with the scissors. and just a few last embellishments, and this layout is done. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, and if you would like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.